Building a slide deck from scratch can be both frustrating and tedious. I'm going to show you how, using Gemini's Canvas feature, you can create professional presentations quickly using just a prompt. And then secondly, I'll show you, if you already have your own data, how you can use that data and upload a file to create presentations. Let's jump in. Let's start with the fastest method, creating from a prompt. Now go to gemini.google.com, and then once you have your workspace open, you want to go down to where it says Tools and make sure you are in Canvas. Let's say leadership has asked for a slide deck on keeping remote employees engaged, because obviously they believe that everybody is at home in their pajamas doing nothing. So we'll enter our prompt. And we'll use the prompt, create a 5-image slide deck presentation on the best ways to keep remote work employees connected and engaged with the company. Make sure yours says presentation, because sometimes if you don't, it'll give you an outline instead of actual slides. Once you enter your prompt, you can either use Pro or Thinking. I'll use Pro, and then you go ahead and hit submit. And in about a minute and a half, Gemini has constructed a fully structured, cohesive slide deck. So you can click through and see if you like it. And because Gemini is conversational, if there's anything that you want to change or you need Gemini to change, like down here, if you want to tell it your company name for the last slide or change colors or images or anything like that, you can just go back over to the prompt and prompt it further. I'll show you momentarily how to export to Google Slides to do some manual changes, but let me show you the second method. So what if you already have data? Let's say you just stepped out of a meeting and you have a bunch of meeting notes that you want to send out to the staff in a presentation form. It works pretty much the same way. Make sure you're in Canvas in the prompt window, and then you're going to hit the plus sign to upload the file. You can also, if you don't have a file, just copy and paste the text or information into the prompt window. But we have a file, so we'll upload the file, and then you'll enter your prompt. So we enter our prompt, create a slide deck presentation summarizing the notes from the uploaded document. Ensure the presentation is professional and cohesive. And then we're going to change over here. We'll go with Pro and we'll hit submit. Gemini will pull out the key deliverables. It'll organize the structure and give you the things that you need all very quickly. Again, in about a minute and a half, Gemini created an excellent basis for your slide presentation. You can click through to make sure you at least have a basis of what you want. If it has the information from your form that you uploaded or your document that you uploaded, this one looks pretty good. It has images. It even has the status updates. Looks like we have a broken link right here, so we'll replace that. I'll show you the export option. And then it has questions with a random address. So let me show you how to export so that we can make some changes in Google Slides. You'll look up at the top right. You'll see an export to slides button. Click that. And then look down in the bottom left where it says creating slides, and give it just a moment. And soon it'll say new slides created. You'll click on open slides. And that'll open up your presentation in Google Slides. And as you see, you can click on and change fonts. And then Gemini automatically gives an image sources slide. You probably don't need that, so you can click it, hit delete. One of the things we know we wanted to change is this email address because it's to a random person. So we could either just delete it completely, and then just like you would in a normal Google Slides presentation, you could just upload it. Insert, text box. And obviously you'd play around with this a lot more, just like you would with a normal slide deck. And you would change the font. You could change the font bold, italics, make the font bigger, smaller. All the things you would normally do in Google Slides. But you just play around with it. And then another thing you can do if you don't want to do everything manually is you can go over here to either help me visualize or to the top at Ask Gemini. You also want to click through the slides to see, since it is AI, if there's any type of weird formatting. For instance, on this slide, we see we have the end of the week, and then there's also the end of the week underneath it. And since AI created it as an image, the best thing to do, like in a situation like this, you just spread that out. You would do the same with the other ones. One thing I did notice when you import from Gemini Canvas is the background is like an image. So it's not as easy to change the background. You kind of have to do that with Nano Banana, which is the help me visualize, or either with the Gemini over here to change like the background color and the themes. But you can change the text. You can change the images. You can insert other images if you want to put your logo in there maybe, or you can even generate an image. We'll say, so once it creates the image, you can click on it. And then instead of replace, because that's just going to replace that entire background, you can click on insert. Then we'll probably make it a little smaller. As you can see, you can add in images. But that's pretty much the process. And pretty quickly, you can at least get a basis for a presentation just from data. So whether you have some data beforehand or you just create from a prompt, give it a try.